reshape and reframe the perspective and put everybody on the same page, right? And also lobbying is a way to build relationships and leverage the existing relationships with politicians who are not prone to assign stigma in order for them to help, soft or easy the relationship with the stigmatized group. So that's our first hypothesis, to say that when targeted by political stigmatization, these organizations may increase lobbying spending, but not in every issue, but on issues related to the stigmatization campaign. Okay? Now, so stigma not only affects the lobbying intensity, but the way lobbying is done, right? And in this case, one of the major traits of stigmatization is the contamination by association, right? So I don't want to be associated with a company which is stigmatized, right? I'm afraid